All right, so this is my replacement screen for my 3 Plus HR. Approximately 6 weeks after I received it, the first screen was dead within 2 weeks, so I had to pay out of pocket to ship it to California. They repaired it, sent it back, took 2 weeks, and 6 weeks later, got a dead screen again. This one obviously has some kind of circle in the middle. Uh, it's not any physical damage. It just started appearing. Uh, I wear this when I jog on the treadmill, so it's not banged around. It's well taken care of. It doesn't go in the shower or anything like that with me. So uh, I guess they're just really not good products, and I'm not going to pay another $11 to ship this back to California to wait 2 weeks and get it back. It's just not worth it to me. And I do not recommend 3 Plus HRs.